Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the LG dryer no heat in 2026. So when a dryer spins without heat, it simply means that the heating system is not activating or the heat is not being retained. So this can happen due to power supply imbalance or heating element or airflow restriction affecting heat buildup. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to check the power supply. Electric dryers need full 240-volt supply. So if one side of the breaker trips, the dryer may run but not heat. So in this case, you need to reset the breaker completely off and then you just have to turn it on. After that, you need to run the dryer on the airflow test. For that, simply disconnect the vent hose and run the dryer. If heat returns, it means that the issue is airflow blockage in the vent system and not the heater itself. After that, you can also clean the lint filter thoroughly. Also clean the vent hose and the external duct because blocked airflow prevents proper heat circulation. If the dryer overheat earlier, the thermal fuse may have blown. So this stops heat generation completely for safety. So if none of the methods are working, you can also perform a quick reset in which you just have to unplug the dryer and then wait for about 3 to 5 minutes and then plug it back in and test it again. This particular step alone can clear the control glitches. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.